11, 12, 17. Now let's come back to the first one. How did you solve the first one? Looking at the first one, let's look at the difference between them. So, the difference between the first number and the second number is 11. Difference between the third and the second is 22. Difference between the 87 and 54 is 33. Can you notice some pattern flowing? Great. It means that we have 11 times 1 for this, 11 times 2 for this, 11 times 3 for this one. And that is great. So those who had it correct, well done. Looking at the second set of numbers, we have the difference between the second number and the first number is 2. Difference between the third and the second is 2. Difference between this and that 2 is 2. And the last one 2 is 2. So we have a constant difference flowing through them. Then we come to the third set of numbers. For the third set of numbers, you can notice that each number has a vowel E. So looking at 3, when it's called 3, you have the vowel E. When it's called 7, we have the vowel E. 11, the vowel E. 12, the vowel E. And 17, the vowel E. So you can predict the next number. Great. So in this case, we are going to lead us to what is termed as arithmetic progression. For this set of numbers, the first number is called 10. That is the first term. The members in here, each number is called a term. So the first number is called the first term, second term, third term, and on we go. So since this one has a consistent or a constant difference flowing through, we can use this to generate our formula for finding the end term. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can find the sixth term, which is the next number. So in this case, we have A as the first term. So looking at our set of numbers, the first term is 1. Then we have to find the sixth term. So N becomes 6. Then the difference. We have a constant difference of 2, which is RD. It's giving us the difference. So we can use it to generate a formula as N term equals A plus N minus 1D. So substituting these values into the formula, we will have what is our A? Our A is 1 plus our N, which is the sixth term. So 6 minus 1 times the constant difference of 2. So this becomes 1 plus 5 times 2. Great. So it becomes 1 plus what? 10, which is giving us 11. So looking at the pattern, our next number will be 11. So bravo to all those who had it correct. Then looking at the first number, the first set of numbers, our next number is going to be 131 because the pattern was the difference between them is 11 multiplied it by the next number. This is 11 multiplied by 1. This is 11 multiplied by 2. This is 11 multiplied